Hey guys, Dan Qwerty here, and welcome back to another video. So, this is day 1 of my Siri shortcut series. I'm going to be doing 5 of these, and in the middle, do a normal video. But, we'll see. So, first one is maybe 85% cool just to have, 15% practical shortcut, lots of shuffles. So, sometimes you want like a certain number of songs, but your chances of getting it are like a 493-digit number, which is the odds if you have 250 songs. So, let's say that you want to create like a lot of playlists. So, like, you have like a seed sort of thing, except it's not a seed because the same playlist will be, the same number will be different depending on what songs you have. So it's not a seed, but it's just lots of playlists. And I actually tested this out. Your playlist, this shortcut usually bugs in the 50s. So if you do like 64, it will get to like 50x. I got 58 the first time, 52 the second time, which is what I'm going to show you now. That's true. 52 playlists. So yeah. It creates a lot of playlists. And you could actually create a lot of playlists based off of other playlists just by adding your playlist in the shortcut, which is you should know how to do. If you don't, then and you want to know more about Siri shortcuts, please watch my Siri shortcut tutorial video. So yeah, just, add it in, then change the variable. And then there we go, and then you could change it. Funny story, one time I forgot to input like this one right here. The media kind one, and it got a TV show in like one of the playlists, and I got to see a never before seen version of the video player. It's like the music video player, but it has the skip forward buttons, like instead of like the normal fast forward buttons. It has skip forward 15 seconds, and the fast forward was actually very fast, unlike the new one. So it's very, very cool that I got to see that unused feature that was never before seen in iOS ever. And plus, it was accessed by using the music app. So yeah. And from Portrait, it showed the skip forward and back buttons by 30 seconds, like those buttons too, which you can never see on the music app. So yeah. But enough with the weird things, and let's see it. So, the link's in the description. This is no tutorial. You could change this all you want. But this is not, like, super useful because it's kind of like a seed. And you could make a shortcut, like now. That's just like an ask for input. And then it would play the shortcut. I'm trying to be fast here, so play playlist, this is an option, play music, and then play the provided input. This may work. Actually, I'm going to make this a number 12. Okay, couldn't do that, but it could play playlist. Could do like a 52. There we go. But yeah, so you could do something like this. Of course, this doesn't work because I hurried. Because this bug's at 50. So you could scroll. It's not that bad. It's only 50 playlists. So, yeah. Tomorrow's going to be an actually useful thing. It's very cool. I made it a long time ago. So tomorrow's going to be very useful. Shortcut, and not just a novelty like this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.